Oh shit. Wait, get some free shit, get some free shit. Get some free shit. Oh shit. What's good, guys? It's your boy Kicks with Jay. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to Cold Shoulder Sneakers, I think it's called. Right now it's 6:01, early as hell. Me and my boy Adam are gonna do we're camping out for the shoe event we're doing, or that we're going to, from Cold Shoulder Kicks up in West Palm, and they're open at 12. But apparently, like, this event today has a lot of traction and it's about to be crazy. There's gonna be like 33-cent shoes and stuff. If you see their Instagram, they open up at 12, but me and my boy Adam think it's like gonna be crazy, so we want to get there a few hours early. So we're just about to be camping now and stuff. The hustle's real, bro, as you guys know. But today I'm gonna take y'all with me just throughout the day, and y'all gonna see the whole POV. Apparently it's supposed to be really good. They're gonna do like a bread 4 giveaway, and they have like 10% off all new shoes. We're gonna find out, so I'll catch y'all in a little bit. I'm about to shower and stuff, fix my bed, and see y'all soon. So let's get it. We just got the Cold Shoulder Kicks. I already see some people in line. I see like about no more than 10 people. All right, so we all just got here. We all waiting right now. We deep as hell, bro. They got hell of heads here. Let me see if I get the camera. We got the True Pro truck right here, bro. This shit about to smack. Free shit on the ground.
Yeah, all that shit that's on the floor is free.
Wait, just for them or for like?
No, for everybody.
Oh shit, bet, say that.
Whoever grabs and finds it.
Okay, bet, just lock in.
5 or 6 things around the store.
Oh yeah, there's 3. So each, you guys just gotta get 1 free thing, bro, so we can get some. That's it. Yeah, bro, you already got 100 on you, bro. You straight,
Bro, I'm running.
Yo, God, bro.
I ran a 4 flat high school. I'm straight. You ready, bro?
I mean, I don't know anything he's gonna tell me.
Honestly, I'm gonna check out that left side, bro, where the lobsters are.
Ultra boost into the zone.
Oh yeah. All right, bro, let's go.
Alright, what's up, everybody? Thank you for coming out. I just want to say one thing. I'm gonna let a lot of people in at a time. Everyone just keep it peaceful. You know how it goes. If anyone's fighting or anything like that, going out. But appreciate you all for coming out here. We got a shit ton of steals, so wait 2 seconds and everyone's coming in. It's all first come, first serve too.
I'm grabbing whatever, bro. I got StockX on standby. I'm gonna ask for the BLM discount, bro. Oh shit. Wait, get some free shit, get some free shit. Get some free shit. Oh shit. All right, bro.
The counter,
wait. No, let me see. Fuck, bro.
Yeah, someone unpropped the door.
Bro, I don't know, bro. 95.
Like 200.
200, bro. Fuck, 110. Nah, these aren't even used like that.
Same
Fuck
thing as
that.
Black Friday too. Whenever you find a shoe you want, just bring it to Tyler. Tyler's gonna hold it.
Damn, I'm gonna hold these 2. Oh shit, what size? Bro, take that. Bro, it still has all the stars, bro. Get that shit. 80? That's not bad, bro. That's the thing, bro. You gotta watch out for the size, bro.
Whatever. It said 20 bones, bro. Size 13. Somebody, you know.
How much those Oreos? Nah. They took the lobsters. No, who took the lobsters? No way.
I got you.
Oh, nah, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I got you.
Okay, but thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Never seen these hoes before.
How much are they?
85. That's not bad. These are basically brand new. All right, I think I'm chilling now. These are Kentuckies? No, I don't think these are Kentuckies. How much though? Let me see. Oh, these are used. I don't know, bro.
What's new?
These are 9.5. These are like worn. Yeah. Nah, bro, look. Let me see if they have these in a 10.5. You only got like one size, right? Like, or you got multiple?
I got more size, multiple.
All right.
Yeah, if you scan that QR code.
Okay, bet. Oh, this is tough.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to look at the vintage for sure. How much you paying the lobsters for?
Tax.
I lowered them.
For 400.
Nope, the 395. I was 420. I did 395.
Dang.
I was 420. 410. That's yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Is there any giveaway for the price?
What's up with that giveaway for the breads? Are y'all still doing that?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the purchases
how do
we
we enter?
All the purchases are entered for POS. But if you want like a physical ticket, you can get one from Joe.
Oh, okay. And then if we win, will y'all contact us? Or
Yeah,
like?
yeah, we'll
okay,
call you.
bet. Perfect.
You pick out whatever size you want.
Say that.
If we have it, you just come get it same day. If we don't have it, we'll get it for you.
Okay, bet. How much you got the pandas?
$5. Damn!
$5 pandas? I gotta remember everything I took, bro. I got those 2 slides, those green dunks. I think those slides too that are hidden in the back. I got those. I think it's just those. what's his name in the gray shirt?
Joe.
Did I get anything else? That was it, right? It was just these 3 sizes and then the dunks. I think that was it, right?
You grab clothes?
Nah. So I think that was it then. Cause we already looked through that.
Yeah,
So, okay, bet. Thank you, bro. W Steels.
They might have got a little beat up from sitting on the piles.
No, you're good. Yeah, it does that. But like over time, we'll just like,
Yeah, they're all dead stock. But we had them no boxes stacked up in the back, and we ran out of space.
Okay.
All right, my man, it's gonna come out to $395.90. Doing a cash or card?
Oh, card.
There's like a ticket for the churro truck.
Yes, please.
I got you. There you go.
Thank you, my man. Appreciate it. Thank you guys so much.
Of course, appreciate you, man.
Yep. You guys have a good one now. Bro, 65? Like, why are people not taking this, bro? 1,000? No way. You found anything, gang?
I got me some
What you hit? Nah, okay. Hey, that's something, bro. And that's a 10, bro? Come on, bro. At least you walked out this bitch with something, bro.
And I'm getting the churro.
Yeah, let's go. Them churros is the must, bro. Niggas ain't eating hours. What we thinking, Adam? Definitely get these.
I don't know about these.
Nah, that's too high. Don't get those, bro. The odds of, you gotta think about it, it's a small size though, so it's gonna be harder to sell it. That's 35 though. You could just sell that for 50, bro. Just a smaller size. Don't spend high on smaller sizes, bro. I low-key took a L. Not really, bro, but like, cause
How much were those?
These just don't have boxes.
How
bro.
much?
110. Now, this was bad. Yeah, I know. I know.
What else?
These ones were as bad.
How much?
They're 65.
That's not bad. That's
This
not
one's
bad.
this
You
is
can
not
make
fucked
money
up.
on
The
this.
thing keeps-
You can get probably like 130.
130. The ones
yeah,
that
you might have-
I know.
What's this?
These are dunks. I got these for 85, bro.
Oh, that's not bad.
That's not bad, bro. I'll probably put them at retail. Wait, no, retail is what?
110.
Oh, okay, bad. So I'll probably do it on there. I think the only L, bro, really is just these ones, bro. All right. Well, I appreciate y'all. I'll be outside probably still. So, y'all cop anything?
I got some shit up there. I got
Okay, bad. For sure. What you got, gang?
some vintage.
Okay, some clean shit. I had got these and then I had got these too, so. Something right. It was 13 bucks. Appreciate you, my man. Thank you guys. Much love.
Appreciate you. You have a good one, all right?
Yes, sir. You too.
What we get?
I got this shirt for 13, bro. It's not bad, bro. This sounds like nothing crazy. Yeah.
Hell yeah. And vintage that shit.
Hell yeah, bro. I paid 110 for them, no box, bro. Yeah. But then I got these for 65, no box.
How much you pay for those?
They're all DS. Bro, this one's I fucked up on 110, no box. I didn't look at the no box. He put it last minute. I didn't even react, bro. Yeah, bro, but whatever. And then I had got these. I don't know how much I paid for these though. Oh yeah, it was like 60 something. I think. I had got these for 85. I'm about to sell them for retail. All right, so we about to get churros right now. We got a free ticket for buying something. I'm gonna catch y'all back at the crib and we're gonna do a review of what I got today. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, so we just got back. I just got back to the dorm. Right now, I just finished unpacking all my stuff. Say what's up, Zach.
What's up, gang?
Well, I'm just gonna go through with y'all everything I got in today's video. So, as you see in that part when I was in the video and they let us in, we were running. This was the first shirt I grabbed, which was free because they had 6 free shirts on the ground. It says half evil. I didn't read it until now when me and Zach were going over this stuff. But hey, a free shirt is a free shirt. Hey. I got this shirt. It's Sussy's Diner, Marco Island, Florida. I thought it was cool. It's extra large. I'm a large, but it should be cool though. It's a cool little shirt. Come with me over here. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I ended up getting these patchwork Nike Dunks on sale for 85. So I'm probably gonna sell these for retail. Retail is like 110. Clean shoe, brand new. Has original lacing and everything, bro. It was a W pickup right there. And then we got some Yeezy Slides resin for only 65. Not bad. They all have no box though. So that was the only thing about it. But I'll still be able to sell these for sure though, bro. So we got the resin slides size 8. Bought those for $65. Not bad. We got the, I think these are bone. Yeezy Slide bone. New no box. Got these for 110. I know it's more on the pricey side, but we'll see if I can get a replacement box or at least get my money back. But I think I'll be able to sell these for more. I don't know. We'll see. And then I got these. I think these are the Yeezy Slides Pure. You know how they have mad different slide names for similar colors, but we got those. These are all 8 men's, 9.5 in women's. And that was pretty much everything we got today. I didn't get as much as I wanted, but I didn't want to go too crazy. I think in total I dropped a total of like, I think it was like 320 or something like that. So I should be able to profit on all the shoes. As you guys saw earlier in the video, we had churros and ice cream. That was a dub. Literally got that for free. Anyone who purchased anything from them today got that free ticket from them. And I also got entered into a raffle to win a pair of Jordan Bread 4s, the ones that recently just dropped. So, and I think overall though, it was a W day. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe and make sure y'all comment on this video.
Do that right now.
Right now. I'm
right
saying
now,
it
bro.
right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Okay. But you already know. Appreciate y'all for the love. Y'all been giving me so much love throughout this whole like YouTube journey of mine. I'm just telling you right now, this is only the beginning. So whoever's rocking with me right now, y'all gonna see the come up just in a few months. This summer we're going crazy. I know I haven't been uploading as much because I've been just dealing with school, trying to pass these classes. As you guys know, I do shoes on the side as well as the YouTube as well. So I just try to be as consistent as I can over the summer. I'll be rolling out more videos. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I do appreciate y'all. As you guys know per video, keep it easy.